Wall Street seems to agree that NIO, and other Chinese stocks like it, should increase significantly now that delisting fears are off the table. However, one thing may be standing in the way of NIO's catapult to the moon, and that one thing is called inflation. On Friday, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell stated, "Inflation remains extremely high, and bringing it lower will require forceful actions on our part." Decreasing inflation could bring pain to households and businesses nationwide. Powell promised to combat current inflation rates, which is running at its highest pace in 40 years. Powell states, "Although we don't want to increase interest rates, a failure to do so would mean far greater pains in the future." Even with 4 rate hikes this year alone, it is still not enough to combat the raging inflation rates going on in the US. What does this have to do with NIO? NIO is on the tech sector of the Nasdaq, and increasing interest rates could not only bring down the tech sector, but the entire market as a whole. Although NIO is doing well as a company, the US economy is not. According to analysts, Powell's announcement could bring down stock prices, and will likely require a sustained period of below-trend growth. What should investors do? It is best to hold on to your investment since NIO is building on their fundamentals, which should help NIO's price stabilize in the long term. That's what's been happening this week in the world of NIO stock analysis and predictions. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to Financial Health right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of NIO stocks and predictions. If you enjoyed this edition of NIO Stock Analysis and Predictions, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's NIO Stock Analysis and Predictions by checking out our NIO playlist.